Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Trello for wedding timeline project management, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Trello website or open. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button and create one. Once logged in, click on the create new board button. Name your board something relevant, like wedding timeline. Choose a background color or image that suits your wedding theme. Set your board privacy to either private or team, based on your preference. Next, create lists to organize different stages of your wedding planning. Consider using lists such as to do, in progress, and completed. You can also create lists for specific wedding-related tasks like venue, catering, and guest list. Now, click on Add a card under your chosen list to start adding tasks. Label each card with a specific task, like book the venue or send invitations. On each card, add a description for more details about the task. Assign due dates to ensure that tasks are completed on time. Use the checklist feature within each card to break larger tasks into smaller steps. To assign tasks to other members, click on Members in the card and add them. This keeps everyone involved in the planning process updated. Utilize the Labels feature to categorize tasks by priority or type. To enhance your workflow, consider integrating power-ups relevant to wedding planning. Choose options like calendar view or due date reminders to keep track of deadlines. Use the comments section on cards for discussions or notes related to each task. Regularly update your board as tasks are completed or new ones arise. Encourage team members to check the board frequently for updates. Review your progress weekly to stay on track with your timeline. Adjust deadlines or tasks as needed based on feedback or changes in plans. Remember to celebrate milestones as you complete significant tasks. By following these steps, you will effectively manage your wedding timeline using Trello. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.